We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot.
Birthday ka! Ang birthday wish ko sa'yo is stay macho, pogi, and humble. Di ba sabi mo nga is ikaw si baby macho. More birthdays to come and God bless you. May this year be your best ever. I hope all your birthday dreams and wishes come true. Happy birthday. May this day always be a special one to remember. Happy birthday, Cab.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi, baby. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
So, yeah. Happy birthday, Cab. And sana hindi ka magbago. And sana huwag mong nakalimutan kung saan ka nang galing. And always love Cabinatics. Ang sabi mo nga, ang Cabinatics na meron forever. And always remember na nandito kami para sa'yo, lalo na ako. I love you so much, baby. Bye-bye.
Hi, Cav. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. 18 ka na, so ibig sabihin, thunders ka na. De, joke lang. Sana wag ka magbago. Tsaka, sana mapansin mo kaming lahat na Cabinatics pati Chixer Refix. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Hi, Cab! Happy 18th birthday! Mahal na mahal ka ng Chixerfix at ng Cabinatics.
Happy birthday, Cookie Monster, Baby Macho, Baby Clarence, Baby Card, and lahat ng tawag sa'yo. I wish you all the best, more birthdays and blessings to come. Sana mas maging successful pala kayo ng Chixer. Stay humble and stay macho. Joke lang. Stay humble as you are right now, and I wish you all the best. Hoping to see you very, very soon. I love you so much. God bless. Uy!
Happy birthday, Kuya Clarence. Wala na maging pogi ka palagi.
Hi, Cap! Happy birthday! Thank you kasi ikaw isa naging inspiration ko since second year high school ako. Na ngayon, first year college na ako. Thank you kasi natupad ko ng ibang fangirl goals ko. Dahil sa'yo, sa Chixer, and sa Cabinatics. Proud ako naging member ako ng Cabinatics. And thank you sa mga nagsali sa akin doon. And sana makita ko ulit kayo sa personal. Thank you nga pala kasi May 23 nakita ko na ulit kayo. Thank you nga.
Hi, Cam. Happy 18th birthday. Tanda mo na, ha? Joke lang. Ayun, sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sorry, hindi ako makapunta sa bahay mo. Di ko alam bahay mo, eh. Tapos, hindi ka nabilan ng cake. Kasi parang bigla ko nalaman na mayroon pala kayong guest sa SM Marilao. Ayun. Parang kailan lang, ha? Dati, 2 days ka. Ngayon, grabe. Laki na. Ay, angat mo na. Macho ka na. Grabe. Hindi ako makapaniwala sa'yo. Yun lang, wala na akong maisip eh. Bye-bye. Love you, Cav. Happy 18th birthday ulit. Bye. Sorry nga pala sa voice ko. Minamalat kasi ako eh.